Gwanare Maromba no ntubari tobara batereme yo MUTINONE yo MWANKI skuru ya HILLSIDE ENDARASHA yetherete akibwethika muthenya urwari nara nende aciari bethirite bakirekerumire yana ba beta kuthika ATONGERIA KATHUMBA nibakinyira MAROMBENE yana ara siasa itiurite ATONGERIA bazimio bakioneka kuolota thirikari no tumuthutra yo siasa na wacha maendeleo muno ndene ya Kirimara. Kieba ikitambite nyeri kiri Maromba ya muthenya ya rito 41 bara BAKWIRIRE MUTINONE yo MWANKI skuru ya HILLSIDE ENDARASHA biomi bithatu bithiru.
Telling John the Baptist through his disciples, I'm not unaware of your imprisonment. I'm not unaware of your suffering. I am aware.
ATONGERIA mwanyane baikinyirie MAROMBENE yau areo munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua uro utumina ntumiria KUBORERIA ya Rais Ruto.
Message of His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, President and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, to the families who lost their young ones in the HILLSIDE Endarasha Academy fire tragedy. We are pained by the loss of young lives in the HILLSIDE Endarasha Academy fire tragedy.
Antunia wena bega Gachagua na ureti ministry ya kithomo kurekania mancho garende ne maskuru akiuria Kenya kurombera nthiguru thirikari na barabatete ndobo.
May the Lord give you comfort. It is difficult. We cannot pretend to tell you that it is easy. As the moderator said in his sermon, if it were possible, much as none of us welcomes death, but if it were possible, it's much better for parents to be buried by their children.
Kirimantu ya siasa Gachagua wete antuba Mount Kenya ni endi wendo na niba batire ochokere wendo bo urabendene.
Former Vice President, the people of the mountain are very good people. They are very trusting. And they are very kind. And they are very loving. They return love with love. They return kindness with kindness. They are very forgiving, but they don't forget.
Meri ya Gachagua ne watimbaruni ya siasa baraba ukarikia thone kiu.
But when the moment comes, aliyekuwa makamu wa rais mzee amelala, Mwai Kibaki will always be there for the people of Nyeri. Tutakuwa nanyi bila uoga, bila chuki, mambo ya changamoto kubwa hizi. Tutakuwa pamoja. Na nchi ni kubwa kabisa kushinda sisi zote.
Pata fununu njama fulani ya kugawanya upinzani, lakini pia tukasikia kuna njama ya kugawanya mlima. Nikaeleza His Excellency ya kwamba ukiona mwenzako anyolewa kichwa chako tie nini? Maji. Tumeanza kusikia kule Nyahururu kuna njama inaendelea, Your Excellency. Leo tuko hapa kwa moto wa Endarasha. Na wale ambao wanapanga kuasha moto mlima huu, nataka niambie watu wa mlima, Your Excellency, mlima huu una marafiki.
I want to just thank you for coming. And I will tell you a very simple thing. That we as a community are not known to stand and look at things. For every action there will be a reaction.